Welcome to use our interactive flat panel. Here, I would like to make a brief introduction of our built-in Android system. This is the main interface looking familiar just like your Android devices by hand. And it has integrated some basic functions in your daily classes. If you want to display from outer sources, just use your fingers to drag out the menu, and you can switch from channel to channel. What's more, you can adjust the audio setting and display setting according to the actual using scenarios, just like what you did to your smart TV. One of the most important features of the built-in Android system is the simplified no software. In this magic ball, we can freely write, just as fluently and accurately on the traditional whiteboard. If you're about to erase it, just use the back of your hand to erase. Besides the basic writing function, we keep thinking how to better engage the students into the class. That's why we develop the Air class. Just make sure the students' mobile devices and the big panel are connected to the same network. Use the camera to scan the QR code and input the student's name. In this way, we can enter the class. The first function I would like to introduce is the voter. If the teacher proposes a question onto the board, the students can answer the question while their mobile phone. When finishes, the answer statics will be reflected on board in real time, and teacher can press the explain button and make it to the corner to further explain the whole question. If the teacher designs a game, they can use the responder. The first student to press the button will be the one to come to the board. Also, the teacher can allow the message function so that students can write their comments to the class in real time. So that's what we aim to do. The Air class makes the whole class even more engaging, entertaining, and more interactive. In art class, we specially design a palette mode where children can draw freely with their imagination. At here, you can choose different brushes, change the pen size, and even mix the color together. Drawing like a master on board will no longer be impossible for those promising talents. After the class, teachers can export their notes into different formats. Also, they can upload it to the cloud storage, including Google Drive and OneDrive. In this way, students don't have to take down the notes in class, and they will have easier access to review at home. During your daily teaching, the built-in Android system provides an easy access to your multimedia materials. Plug a USB disk into the front and open the Finder. And you will see your multimedia materials were neatly laid out according to different categories. You can view the pictures or play the 4K videos. Also, you can play the PowerPoint slide. From the side toolbar, you can use the annotation at any channel and any time. What's more, you can also use in the spotlight for emphasizing. No matter what activities you are doing, the built-in Android system is always there to empower your class.